In today's video, I'm going to teach you Klarna, how to use this buy now, pay later service, 5 minutes. Klarna lets you shop now and split the cost over time. It's handy when you want flexibility, but remember to budget carefully and pay on time to avoid fees. Availability and terms can vary by country and retailer. Start by downloading the Klarna app and creating your account. You'll enter your email, verify your phone, and link a debit or credit card you'll use for repayments. Klarna may ask for a few details to confirm your identity. Turn on notifications so you never miss an installment reminder and only enter verification codes directly in the app to keep your account secure. Inside the app, search for retailers, browse products, and add items to your cart using the in-app browser. You can shop at stores that partner with Klarna and many that don't. Check the store's shipping and return policies and make sure the total, including tax and shipping, fits your budget. When you're ready to pay, choose Klarna at checkout. If the store supports Klarna directly, the app will guide you through a quick approval and automatically apply pay in 4 when eligible. If not, Klarna can generate a one-time virtual card. You'll copy those temporary card details into the retailer's checkout like any normal card. The card amount should cover the full order total, so update it if your cart changes. Next, select your payment plan. Pay in 4 typically splits your purchase into 4 equal interest-free payments when paid on time. For larger purchases, you may see financing options with longer terms. Those can include interest, so review the APR, schedule, and total cost before you confirm. Klarna may run a soft credit check to assess eligibility. After you purchase, head to the Purchases tab to see every order and due date. From here, you can pay early, enable auto pay, or pause charges if you're processing a return. If you return an item, Klarna adjusts your plan once the store confirms the refund. You can also plan a purchase in the Wallet tab. Set the total you intend to spend, get pre-approved for a pay later plan, and generate a virtual card when you're ready. This is helpful for retailers that don't offer Klarna at checkout. That's it. Use reminders, keep your card up to date, and only take on plans you can comfortably afford. Happy shopping and smart spending.